How to use your phone for good, not evil. Having a phone that never leaves our side has transformed the way we stay in touch. If our kids are in trouble, or our partner misses us, or our favorite sports team has scored, a notification lets us know instantly. But it means something else, too. We never get a moment's peace. Every ping your phone emits is another distraction. This alone makes it an evil phone. You need to learn how to use your phone for good, not evil. Because really, who wants an evil phone? Take control over your notifications. Have you tried listening to scripture? Explore scripture through playlists, stories, passages, and plans. Explore scripture through daily listening plans, topical playlists, curated stories and passages, and more. Romans 12:2. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good, and acceptable, and perfect will of God.